Hey y'all, thank you so much for tuning into my video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this Beyonce Super Bowl inspired Funko Pop. Hopefully you guys love it. Let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share. This pop was made for my sister-in-law who's currently fighting breast cancer. So I wanted to give her a gift that was symbolic of the strength that she's had this entire journey. Take one of Beyonce's most iconic and strongest moments and combine it with the fact that my sister-in-law is the founding member of the Beehive. It seemed only right to create this in honor of her. Hopefully you guys have just as much fun watching this video as I had creating it. Let me know what you think. Check it out. As you can see, I'm going to be using two different pops to create the look that I want. Allison from Umbrella Academy and Black Canary from DC Comics. They're gonna be switching bodies. Happy Halloween. These are my original products that I was going to use to complete this project, but turns out that paint was a terrible idea. The finish was way too strong, way too opaque, and way too glossy. It just did not look like regular skin. There was no build at all to it. So I used this instead. So here I needed to create a hole in her hands for her to be able to hold the bat. I used a skinny drill bit of my nail drill and voila! I also used this bit to sand down any sharp edges in her handle of her bat after cutting it down with pliers. Next, I added black paint to mimic black tape around the handle. I added her initials, and then I added, of course, the famous hot sauce logo. 4 coats of paint for her skin and a 3D base for her eyebrows were added. And of course, some lovely glitter eyeshadow and some bottom lashes. Girl, look at you. Next, I used about 2 coats of the black gloss paint, acrylic paint on her hair. I did have some spots that I had to fill in later, but next I painted her hands, her neck, gave her a full body black suit, and added a collar. For the skin under the fishnets, I'll be using this wood pick to dip into brown paint and then fill in each hole meticulously. Now I'm just adding a second layer of brown paint to areas that I felt weren't covered up enough the first time. Next, I'm going to be using this push pin to add the tattoos to Beyonce's finger. Please be very careful when using this. As you can see, this is a sharp object and it does not play around. Did add a garter belt to her right leg. I forgot to capture that, but now I'm just going over areas where the paint was really skimpy. reveal our baby in this matte clear Rust-Oleum acrylic spray paint. This, of course, would not be complete without a kick-ass message to Cancer by way of a dope-ass lyric from Beyonce. Okay. Here is the finished product of our girl, aka Jayonce. My sister-in-law absolutely loved this Funko Pop, and I absolutely loved creating it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you think in the comments. Also, if you have any questions that I did not cover in the video, please comment those as well. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye!